Okay, we've got our remote control drift car here. This is a really neat toy with a standard remote control, but also a motion censored remote for your hand. Forward, backwards, right, and left. This has 4 wheels, but then on each wheel, there's different spinners here. And this thing can move sideways and drift. Fun for outside. Let's turn it on and see what it's like. Okay. Here's our hand controller controlling Okay, now we've got our handheld controller. We can lift this up. Now we've got more clearance. Or put it back down. Low profile mode. Here's our dance mode. One button and this thing dances all over. Super fun for the kids.